Welcome to Ayden's Kitchen.
I'm Ayden.
I'm Ashley. And we're about to do cooking with Ayden part 1.
What are you doing, Ayden?
I'm cooking.
Okay, well, what are we cooking today for your first episode?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies? What do we got here?
I don't know. And then we're going to sprinkle
What's that say?
and icing. These are cookie doughs. We're going to eat
Right here.
doughs. Oh, sugar.
Yep.
Sugar cookies.
Yep, we got sugar cookies, and what are these?
Chocolate chip.
All right, so what are we going to do with it?
So we're going to whip it. Show me, okay? I'm minding my own business.
So while Ashlyn's over here eating, what are you doing, sir?
I'm going to be cooking. Okay, one more.
You can use your hands if you would like. It'll make it better.
No thanks. I think my hands dirty.
You got to smear it all around, buddy. So why do we need butter? You know why we need butter?
I don't know.
So our cookies don't...
Stick.
Good.
So it doesn't stick.
Okay, what are we doing now, Ayden?
Alright, now second step is we gotta put these here, like that.
That's, what is that, cookie?
Cookie dough.
Good. What you got over here, Ashlyn?
Cookies.
Cookies.
Sugar.
Okay, so Ayden's doing chocolate chip, Ashlyn's doing sugar cookies. How many are we doing?
6. 6 cookies. 2. 3. 4. Wait, I can't get it.
Bring it. It's off, you goofball. I see it.
I got 6.
Okay, you need one more, Ayden.
I can see.
Okay, Ashlyn, can you separate your cookies a little bit? You don't want them all jumped up or you'll have one giant cookie.
Okay. That'd be cool.
Okay, Ayden, can you separate yours a little bit?
There we go.
There you go. Here, once. There you go. You just want them a couple inches apart. Move that one over a little bit, Ayden. Yeah, there you go. Look good. All right, so now what do we do?
Now we bake.
We bake them. We put them in the oven, right?
Bake it.
Are kids allowed to touch the oven?
No. But we will help carry it.
Okay, you can carry them over to the oven and then Mom puts it in, okay? Because the oven's preheated.
And then we can help do the sprinkles and icing. And this was for me, this was for you. Alright. You guys.
Okay.
Alright, so kids, we're back. We're going to decorate our cookies and eat.
Okay, are the cookies done?
Yes. So we have 3 pieces. These are going to be my 3. Hey!
Ayden just took his 3. Okay, and when you're done, you can just put it back on the plate.
So mushy. Oh my god, that's so yummy. Come on, meatballs.
Oh, don't put too much ice in, buddy.
Let's smash it down. Wait, how are we going to smear it? This is the back. The bottom. Just, no, I broke my cookie.
That's okay, honey.
It's okay. Hey, you can have a half cookie. Or you can just eat it. There you go.
Okay, why don't
Hey guys.
add some sprinkles, Ashlyn? Oh, that looks like a dinosaur cookie.
Yes. A rainbow cookie.
That's beautiful. Oh, you added some green. Okay. Don't put too much icing, okay?
Hey.
It's okay. You can use some of her sprinkles if you want.
Hey, Sissy. Sissy. I need some cookies, please. I see. No. Yeah. Yes. I need something to... Wait.
Icing. I see you.
We caught you on camera. No, you didn't.
Well, I see you trying to sneak a bite.
Who? You? Me? What am I doing? A bunch of sprinkles.
Oh, not too many.
Yeah, not too much. Okay. This cookie is super
Let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. That looks
And
crazy.
the second one is going to be the rainbow cookie.
Okay.
The rainbows. So I need this and this. Thank you. So is this cookie with us? Mom?
Hmm.
Does this cookie look good? Part?
The one you're doing now?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks great.
That looks like a dinosaur, the other one.
Somehow Ashland's ended up upside down.
No, my cookie!
Ma'am.
Ma'am, we see you. Yeah, now I need a little bit of the pink and a little bit of the...
Why don't you just take some of the pink first, then add the other colors?
Yeah.
There you go.
Have a pinch and sprinkle.
Wow, that looks good. And very delicious looking.
Big icing!
Okay, don't, Ashland, don't add so much, honey.
I just want one last pinch.
Didn't I just say don't add too much?
I'm sorry. Oh, pinch it.
What?
Just one. What are you doing now? It looked good at first, and now it just looks very weird now. No, it looks fabulous. Okay. I'm gonna make this more fabulous. This is gonna be for Dad.
Oh, you're making that one for Daddy?
Very nice.
Oh.
Very. But I'm making it too messy because Daddy still does the messy cupcake.
That's not a cupcake.
I made a
Cookie.
messy cookie. No. And now we need a little pink. Well, I just need a pinch. Hey, Daddy. This one's gonna be for you.
Okay, Sissy.
This one's gonna be for Dada. Kids, hang on. I'm gonna put them on the plate, and then you kids are gonna see it. Look at my cookies. I got pink and green, and a pink one. This looks more of a heart. Not gonna lie. This one is for Daddy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I call this one.
Mm-hmm.
Messy one is for me. The Hawksit.
Ooh.
The Hawksit.
Okay, let's move over the cookies so Ashland can fit.
Mommy.
There we go.
Hey kids, I call this one a Hawksit. If you put Toxit and Hawk, put it together, and you have Hawksit. And this one is called the Heart. So you have Hawksit cookie, Heart cookie, and Dinosaur cookie.
Wow, you did a great job. You did too, Ashland.
I am very creative. One cookie. No, you can eat.
Hold on. Okay. Hey.
Bye, kids. Hopefully you like it, and make sure to get me 300. Make sure to give me 300 likes. Okay, I need 300. 3. I need 300 subscribers for the next Cooking with Ayden Part 2 episode 2.